Hello everyone, welcome to Google Certified Educator Level 1 exam lesson 1. In this lesson, we're going to be doing Google Chrome. Okay, before we start, I just want to mention that Google Chrome is a web browser. It's just like Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Edge. So it's just a web browser that is owned by Google. Okay, so if I click on my web browser, then I will see this page here. I can do all the changes now on this page. You see on the top right, there are three dots. If I click on that, the window that pops up tells me everything that I can do on this browser. So the first one is new tab. I'll just tell you what new tab is. You see now this is my web browser. Now this is the tab that is open here already. Just quickly gonna remove this. Okay, so now when I want to open another tab, all I need to do is just to come here, see on this plus sign, I'm gonna click on that, then you see now I have another tab. In this tab, I can open this from the bookmark, then I come here, I can click on this and click on this here, open this bookmark. So these are my tabs now. You see how many tabs are open here now on this page? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is how you open a new tab. Or what you can do is this. You come here, you say new tab. Click on that, new tab. Now I have 5. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna say new tab. Now I have 6. Right, so this is how we open the new tab. Or what we can do is this. You see now on your keyboard, if you say Control T, then you will have a new tab. Control T, then you have another tab. See now, so these are the tabs. So on the browser, as you can see now, I have multiple tabs open. Okay, so this is how we do it. You either come here, so everything is done from here. So you come, you click on this three dot, and then new tab, new window, new incognito window, or whatever. Everything is done through here. So you just come here. Right, you either say new tab, like I said again, or you just come here, click on this plus sign, or you can say Control T on your keyboard, whichever one is easier for you. You can do that one. Okay, so this was the first thing. Then what we can do is this new window. New tab and new window are two different things, right? So the one that we did now was new, opening a new tab. Opening the new window is this. Now on the basically when you open the web browser, you will have, you see now if I come on this web browser, you can see now I have only one browser open. So opening new window, when I come here now, if I have two windows open, then that will be two browsers. Three, if it's three, then it will be three browsers here. So what you can do is just say, you can come here again, click on that, and then you can say new window. See, new window. Now I come here, see now I have two windows here. If I say open another window, right, now I have three windows. You can see 1, 2, and 3. Right, you can do open new window like this, or you own a certain tab, right? So when you click on that tab, you can open it with in new window, or you can do this on your keyboard, right? Your keyboard shortcut will be this. Click on Control N. Right now I'm going to come, you see now I have 4 new windows open. Right now, how we are going to open a tab on a new window, right? So if you see now, these are the tabs that are open on this browser. So I want to open this, right, grade 9 technology on a new window. I don't want to see it on this window. Then I'm just gonna come here, click on it, I'll drag it. See now it is moved to a new window. When I release it, then I come here, you can see now, I'll see now I have 2 windows. So That's how we do it. You can use your keyboard, the keyboard shortcut, or you can do it from here, whichever one is easier for you. Now the third one will be new incognito window. Incognito is different than normal window, because on the normal window, when you do something, all the actions that are taken on the window are recorded. So you can always go to history and see what you browsed, or whatever else you did there. The history of all those actions are saved there. But incognito is just for that moment. You can open the browser in that incognito mode. Then when you close it, everything will be gone. There is no record, nothing. Right. So again, if I go there, now I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna say incognito mode. As you can see now, here it gives a brief explanation of what it is. Okay, you have gone incognito. Now you can browse privately, and other people who use this device won't see your activity. However, downloads and bookmarks will be saved. So Chrome won't save the following information: your browsing history, cookies, and site data information, and entered in forms. So basically, whatever you do here is not going to be saved. Okay. Now again, you can come here, click on this three dots, and then you can go to incognito window, or again, you can use your keyboard. The shortcut will be Control Shift N. When you click on that, again, it will take you to incognito mode. Okay. Then when you're taking your exam, the exam obviously will be taken in this mode. So you have to be familiar with incognito mode. Okay. Right. Okay. Now there's another thing here, which is history. History is, it's whatever you browse, whatever action you took on the website, it will be saved there. You see now, it with the time and everything. So when you can always go back, see what you've done. You can, this is where you go to history, or again, there's a keyboard shortcut. You're just gonna say Control H, that will take you to your history. Okay. And then we have bookmarks, very, very important. You see now on this bar here, so bookmarks, these are my bookmarks, right? You can always, create a new bookmark. You come here, you're gonna say bookmarks, bookmark this tab. If I want to bookmark this tab, I'm just gonna click on it, I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna say test2, because test1 is there already. I'm gonna say okay, then it will be here. See now this is bookmark. So when I want to visit this page, then I'll just come here instead of typing in the URL in the browser and visit the website. I'll just come here and click on this, and it will take me to that website. That's the thing about the bookmarks, right? Then we can do changes with the bookmark. Well, once you bookmark something, you can always right click on that. You can go to edit, you can delete it if you want to. Say, for example, I don't want to keep this anymore. This one here, I'm just gonna right click on it. These are the options given here. I'm gonna click on delete, and it will be delete. Or this one, I want to change the name, or I don't want any name on it, just want the icon. I can always go to edit, and then I can remove it. Since I can remove it, I will be left with no name, just the icon will be there. Okay, then you can always go back and change. You can open the bookmark in a new window. Say, for example, I want to open this bookmark, but not on this window. I want to open in a new window. So now I open again, I come here. Now you see, now I have two windows. So it took me to the website, but not on that window. And you, as you can see now, the other option for that, you can open it in new tab. So open, if you say open, just click on it. You see this tab that we are on, it will open it here. I'm gonna click on it. As you can see, it's gonna, no new tab is opening, so it will take me to the website on this tab. But if, say, I want to open it on a new tab, I'm gonna come here, say open a new tab. Then you will be, there will be another tab opening here. Then it will be open on that tab. See now? Okay, so that's, yeah, that's how we do it. Right, so that is that you can always just come here, go to bookmark manager and do any other changes that you want. But in the exam, that is all that you will be asked. So now, yeah, you can also changes, do a few more changes here. But in the exam, you will either be asked to bookmark something or delete the bookmark or change the name of the bookmark. So you must know how to do that. Right. After the bookmark, I want to show you how to pin a tab. That is important because we will be using that. Now I'm going to click on this. Yeah, I'll open this. Then I will pin it. Right. So if I right click on this again, you see now the bookmarks are here. The bookmark bar is here. Right. Then this is obviously Omnibox. It's called Omnibox or web browser in the exam, but they call Omnibox. Right, and these are my tabs. Okay, so we're going to pin a tab. So I'm going to come on one of the tabs, whichever one I want to pin. So in this case, I want to pin this one. I will right click on that, right? Then I will be giving these options here. Right, so now I want to pin it. So when I pin it, it will come here, right? This icon will be shown here. Okay, I pin it. As you can see, it is here. So when I close this whole window and reopen it, then this page will be open here. This won't be closed because when I click on the pen tab, then it will take me to this page. Let's do it. Okay, now I'm gonna click on this. My tab pen tab icon will be there, so I can click on it. Okay. All right, I think I did not pin it. Okay, let me do it. Yeah, right. I'm gonna. Oops. Okay, now as you can see now it loaded here. It is here. See now when you pin something, it just shows here. So I'm gonna click on that. As you can see, it can take me to here. Right. So when you pin something, all you need to do, like you said, just say I want to pin this one now. Then I'm just gonna come on it. Then I'll say pin. As you can see, this will be there. Right, so that's how we pin it. Why is it important to pin a tab? Because in the exam, if you close your exam page, then say in the middle of the exam, then all that time will be gone. Because when you reopen it, it's either not going to open, or if it opens, then all that time will be gone. So that's why you must be careful with that. You must know how to pin a tab. Okay, so now let's go to settings. Okay, before that, you see the zoom. If we zoom, right, the page, say this is small for me, I can't read it properly. I want the writing to be bigger. So I can always come here, you see now zoom, make it bigger. Click on that, and here it shows you how much you're making it bigger, right? And then you can, okay, make it smaller than by the default also. Right, so you can do these changes from here. Now I want to go to settings now. Most of the work will be here in settings. Okay. Once we click on that, it will take us to this page. Okay. Internet is great. That's why it's a bit slow. Okay, so here you see in this the first table here, it shows us Ratias in Fermango. Okay, obviously I'm logged in with this account, right? If I click on that, you see this is my account. That's why it shows here. So everything will be saved under this account. I can always go and get my backups from there. Right. These are the password, the payment methods. It's free of charge. We're not paying. Okay, what is important here? Appearance. You see now, I'm just gonna click on here, see what is here. See, this is the appearance, right? Waterfall. I can change that to anything I want to. I click on this, you see now this waterfall, it will take me to that page, but I can change that to anything else. Right, see now, this is that. Then you can change to any picture, anything you like. You just click on that, and that will be changed. Right, that's one thing. Then see the home button here. This here is, see this icon you see here, it's a home page, right? So if I don't want it to be here to appear, then I can always turn this off. Now if I turn this off, this will go away. Okay, turn it off, I can't see it there. Now I can put it back on. So now it is there. Right. The bookmarks. If I want to see my bookmarks on my bookmark bar, right, then I turn this on. It is on now. If I don't want to see it, then I can always turn it off with, you know, without deleting the bookmarks. You don't want to see the bookmarks every time you open the web page. You don't have to delete them. Just turn this off. They all go away. See, there's no bookmarks, right? If you put it back on, then all the bookmarks are there. Right, the customizing the fonts and everything is just about writing the page zoom. It's same what we did here, so it's same as that. So if you click on this also, it will show you all these percentages there. Yeah, you can make it bigger, smaller, it depends what you want. Right, the address will, you know, the search engine, in this case, our search engine is Google. So now if you click on that, see this is Google, my search engine. I can search anything on Google. Right, but it's not the only search engine. You see, you can change it to anything else you want to. Right, here my Google Chrome is my default browser. Like I said, Google Chrome is not the only browser. You can get Firefox, you can get Internet Explorer, you can get Microsoft Edge, whichever one you want to. Or you have anything else like Opera or any other thing, then you can use those ones as well. Now here, this part is important. Open the tab on startup. When I'm gonna close everything now. When we starting, right, Google Chrome, how do I want it to start? Right, I go to here now, settings. Currently, it is set to start on a new tab, but I can change that to anything. You see now, right, if I open the new tab page, anytime I open it, then it will be like this. So let's close it and open it again. Now the new tab is open, as you can see. So anytime you're starting your web browser, the first time when you click on your web browser, this is what you get. Then you type in your website or wherever you want to go, then you just type the name in the browser and then you will. But if I want to change that, right, to something else, so now the second option says continue where you left off. Now currently I'm on this page, you see Chrome, the settings. Say something came up, then I had to close, write this and go. Now when I am available now, I want to open my browser again. Now here, if I close it, because I chose this option here now, if I close this and open, it will take me to this page. It's in the new tab. It will take me, because I said continue where you left off. Now I'm busy with this. When I close this and reopen it, it will take me to this page. Okay, now I'm gonna click on that. So now on startup, it will take me to this, because the last thing that I was busy doing was this. That's why it is taking me to this page. Okay, or what else you can do is this. You see now, you can see open a specific page or set of pages. Say anytime you visiting the Google Chrome, anytime you open Google Chrome, you want it to start with a certain page. Then you just say add your page, then you type in here. So you can say type in www.google.com. So anytime you open it, it will take you to Google, right? Or if any other website you want to start with, then it will take you to that. So it's just three options here. You can choose whichever one you want to. Right. And then there's another thing, yeah, downloads. Now, when I look at this, right? Anything I download here, it shows you the location, right? When you downloading something from internet, it will not on my device. It is going to this folder. You see downloads, the name of folder. This folder is under Lenovo folder, and the Lenovo folder is under users, and user is in C drive. So anything I download, it goes to there. I can change it to anything else. I click on the change, then I say want to save it on desktop. Say from desktop, I want to download it, say level 1, right? Then I just say select, then everything else, then anything I download will come to desktop. From desktop, it will go to level 1 folder. Right, you can say if you want to download it to somewhere else, documents or pictures or anywhere else, you can just select the folder and then it will go to that folder. Right, or what you can do is this. You see, ask where to save each file before downloading. It is turned off now. If I turn it on, that means anytime I want to download something, it will ask me before it save that file to anywhere on this device. It will ask me where to save, right? So that they will see then pop-up notification then where you want to save this file. So then you can choose the file or the folder wherever you want to save it. So yeah, this is basically it about Google Chrome. I'm sure if you go through this, then you will be fine in the exam.